Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that promises to transform your garden maintenance routine, the Kwik Edge garden tool. We'll explore its features, benefits, and see if it lives up to its reputation as the best in the market. The Kwik Edge tool by Kwik Edge is designed for one primary purpose: to maintain neat and defined garden edges effortlessly. Made from durable materials, this manual tool stands at 57.5 inches tall, making it ergonomic and easy to use for most gardeners. Let's start with its features. The Kwik Edge tool boasts a multi-purpose design. It effectively prevents grass encroachment into your flower beds with its curved back, directing soil back into the bed for a tidy finish. Its vertical and horizontal blades cut invading grass roots without disturbing overhanging grass blades, ensuring your garden beds stay neat and well maintained. Using the Kwik Edge tool is straightforward. Simply prep your garden bed with a half moon or shovel to the desired shape, then use the Kwik Edge tool to clean and cultivate the border. For best results, use it when the soil is slightly dry to prevent roots and soil from catching on the blade. It's designed to make your yard work feel like gardening, leaving your flower beds looking professionally manicured. One of the standout features is its ease of use. In a single smooth motion, the Kwik Edge tool turns mundane yard work into a satisfying gardening experience. With each use, it conditions the soil and mixes in any added amendments, making future tasks even easier. Crafted from wood and designed for durability, this tool is not just functional but also a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious gardeners. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity, backed by the confidence of a small business brand committed to quality. While there are other manual weeders and edgars on the market, the Kwik Edge tool distinguishes itself. With its specialized design for maintaining crisp flower bed lines and its efficient soil cultivation capabilities, its user-friendly nature makes it a favorite among gardening enthusiasts. To wrap up, the Kwik Edge garden tool lives up to its name as one of the best options for maintaining clean and well-defined garden edges. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this tool offers reliability and efficiency. Backed by positive user feedback and a satisfaction guarantee. If you're looking to elevate your garden maintenance game, consider adding the Kwik Edge tool to your toolkit. Check the link in the description for more details and where to buy. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.